Hey, first unboxing video ever. So this is the Cardo Freecom 4 Plus. Just got the dual set from Revzilla, and they matched a price for me from Amazon. So I got a good deal. Oh, so here we go. Kind of not Revzilla's normal packaging because I think it came from their Las Vegas distribution center. I don't know, but it's a little different. But here we go. Here is the Cardo unit. It's a little ripped up. It's kind of, yeah, I don't know. Guess it's all right. We'll see. There it is. There's the Cardo Freecom 4 Plus Duo Pack, which just means there's two headsets in there, two comm units. You know, it's a better deal that way, and you're gonna need two so you can talk with whoever. In my case, I've got my wife riding two up, and I also have a daughter who rides sometimes with a Senna, and you're supposed to be able to hook these up with a Senna too, so I'm going to try that. Nice boxing. You can see how that's open. It says open. Oh, out. You see their motorcycle happens to be an XSR 700 on their advertising, and that's my bike. This kind of wasn't in its place, but there's the two units. Very small, very slim. I know my daughter's Senna looks a little bulky on her helmet, but I wouldn't really care either way, but that's kind of nice up there. Slimline, very cool packaging. Love that. Here we go. That's the unit, and down in here, of course, there's going to be all kinds of user guides in many different languages. And for each unit, you've got all your, I'm sure it's all your mounting stuff, your mic, and your earphones and little speakers, right? So the thing about the 4 Plus, some of you probably know, they make a 1, and they make a 2, and they make a 4. And the 1 and 2 have just your standard speakers. The 4 goes up to a JBL speaker, which is supposed to be pretty nice, is what I hear. So that's the speakers, I think, in there. Spacers for your speakers inside your helmet. These, I think, are the stick-on mounts, because you can mount it two ways, either with a clip or you can mount it with a 3M sticky thing, but we'll see. I think that's stick-on Velcro for mounting the speakers. Alcohol prep pad, clean it up before you stick it. And you get two mic options, okay? So that's the mic you're gonna, if you wanna just run it along inside your helmet and stick it up, like by your chin bar. And the other option is more of a boom mic. So if you are doing, you know, half helmet and you want this out front of your face, you can do that. I suppose you could run that inside a helmet too, I don't know. Probably just depends on what sounds the best. And here's the other mounting option. This is more of a clip style, right? So this would be something where it would clip up on the inside of the edge of your helmet, and then attach this guy. Or if that doesn't work because of the way your helmet is designed, then you can do the stick-on method. You stick this on. Yeah, I think the clip comes off this mount, and instead you do the sticky one, hook it on this mount. So anyhow, you always use this mount. This just locks in like that and it unclips with a little release in the front. These are your control buttons are here. It's sticking out here so you can really feel it, like if you have a gloved hand, right? You can feel this thing sticking out, and so when you press, you know which one you're pressing. And then there's a jog dial, so you can probably get a hold of that with a gloved hand pretty decently as well. So we're gonna try these out. They have really good reviews. The comparable Sena is the 20S, I think. And I've heard some claims that sound is not that great and that Cardo is a little bit better, so we'll see. Might want to look at that motorcycle again because, yeah. Hey, if you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know if this is useful content. I'll do some more just like it. Thanks.